Well, the benefit of going solar for me has been that we really have enjoyed the ability to live a better quality of life, because in the heat waves and when it's really warm outside, we're totally in here, and we totally love living in our house, and it makes it so relaxing. I mean, I don't go out all beat because I'm all tired from not being able to sleep and stuff. I mean, I go upstairs and I'm able to sleep, and I'm well rested. And before we had it, man, I'd wake up and I'd be like beat, like somebody take me out and run me around the block 20 times because I couldn't sleep very good. And that's been a huge benefit, and it's made it well worth every penny we spent on it. So I've never regretted going solar. And in fact, prior to doing it, I kept talking about it, and finally I convinced my wife we really need to do this. We're getting too old to withstand these heat waves that we're having, and we need to get this house up to date. And that was part of it, just bringing the house up to date. So that was huge for me.